Hi guys, Morao here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own seafood boil. So for our first step of our seafood boil is cooking our veggies as well as our seafood. To save on time, I've already pre-cooked my potatoes, so that's fine. We don't have to worry about that. Next will go my corn. So in here is some paprika, some garlic powder, some oregano, Cajun spice, onion spice, as well as some lemon and herb. So we're gonna cook all our seafood and our veggies in our spices. So I'm gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is up, I will then add the mussels. Then once 2 minutes is up, I will add the prawns, which will cook for 5 minutes. So that would mean the mussels will have cooked for 7. Yeah. So while we're waiting for our 5 minute mark to go off, I'm actually going to get started with the sauce. About a tablespoon or 2 of the butter. In goes my onion. Saute that. So we just want to gently soften our onion. And then to this, we're going to add about a teaspoon of the garlic. And there we go. So first timer off. Now we are going to add in our mussels for 7 minutes. So I'm frying my onion for about a minute or 2 just to slightly soften before I add in all of my spices. And then add a little more butter. And then now I will add in my prawns and just look at them. Check how big they are. And then we're letting that cook for 5 more minutes. So now our onions are nice and soft. They've cooked in all those delicious spices. I'm going to now add just 1 sachet of the fish stock because it is concentrated, so you don't need a whole lot. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. And what we actually can do is to add the water from our boil because it's got all that flavor in it. And then now for the butter. I mean, lots of butter, but it actually is okay if you don't want to add all that much butter. But yeah, I'm about to add lots of butter. And there we go. That is our 5 minutes. I'm going to stop my timer. That means all of my corn, all of my seafood, my mussels, and my prawns are cooked. Now for some lemon juice. Now for our seafood and our corn, then I'm just gonna mix that. You want the sauce to coat everything. Then I'm also adding my potatoes, which are boiled earlier, or you can boil in here with the veggies. That's totally fine. And there we go. That's our seafood boil done. So let's taste. The spices, the butter, everything tastes amazing. I really can't wait to see you try the seafood boil and tag me because I really want to see how it turns out. Happy cooking!